Who says chickens can't fly? Today's recipe is gonna fly off the plate when you serve it for dinner tonight. Howard shows us how to make his delicious drumsticks in the Mr. Food Test kitchen.
Can you believe it's April already? The year feels like it's just flying by. One of the things we hear from so many of you week after week is that you want more budget-friendly recipes for dinner. Well, we heard you, which is why the recipe we're making today is easy on our wallets and a family favorite too. Here we have 3 to 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks, which is plenty to serve the average family and still have a few left over for lunch the next day. And at less than $1 a pound, chicken legs are really easy on our budget. We start by drizzling the chicken with some melted butter and giving them a quick toss. Then we coat them with some breadcrumbs that we seasoned with onion and garlic powder, dry mustard, paprika, salt, and a pinch of ground red pepper. We bake these until no pink remains and the coating is crispy and golden. Then all you got to do is ring the dinner bell and watch everyone come running. The true test comes after you take your first bite. Is it crunchy? Yes. Juicy? Sure is. A winner? You betcha. To get the recipe for what we call delicious drumsticks, all you need to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a budget-friendly way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Budget-friendly way.